a spirited young girl, Angela, who finds herself stranded on a mysterious island. Little does she know, this adventure will be full of unexpected twists and turns.
Great, just my luck. Stuck on an island with no Wi-Fi.
As she explores, she discovers a Lady Asher who has been living here for 15 years.
Welcome to my humble abode. It's not much, but it's home.
I guess I'll have to go with the flow.
Meaning adapt to the situation.
You'll soon find your feet here.
Meaning become comfortable in a new situation.
I feel like a fish out of water here.
Meaning feeling out of place.
Don't worry, dear. You'll get the hang of it. I was in the same boat when I first arrived.
Idiom meaning in the same situation.
I hope I don't get cold feet about surviving here.
Meaning to become nervous or anxious.
Just take it one step at a time.
Meaning progress gradually.
I'll try to keep my chin up.
Meaning stay positive and optimistic.
Look, a drone. Maybe it can help us.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Idiom meaning don't assume success before it happens.
I'll keep my fingers crossed.
Meaning hope for good luck.
We might just hit the jackpot with this one.
Meaning to achieve great success or gain a lot of money.
I hope it doesn't turn out to be a wild goose chase.
Meaning a futile search or pursuit.
I've been here since I was young, living by the grace of God. Meaning by divine help or luck. You must have nerves of steel to survive here.
Meaning to be very brave.
Well, necessity is the mother of invention.
Meaning difficult situations inspire ingenious solutions.
I guess you learn to roll with the punches.
Meaning adapt to difficult circumstances.
Yes, and I've learned to let sleeping dogs lie.
Meaning avoid interfering in a situation that is currently stable. Hand over your supplies.
You're barking up the wrong tree, mate.
Idiom meaning pursuing a mistaken course of action.
We're not going to give up without a fight.
Meaning to resist or struggle.
Time to show these pirates not to judge a book by its cover.
Meaning don't judge based on appearances.
They're in for a rude awakening.
Meaning a surprising and unpleasant discovery.
I'll teach them to mind their own beeswax.
Meaning to not interfere in someone else's affairs.
Let's give them a run for their money. I learned martial arts when I was 25.
Meaning to challenge someone.
Wow, you're as fit as a fiddle.
Meaning in good health.
I've always believed in keeping my powder dry.
Meaning be prepared for a challenge.
You're really on the ball.
Meaning alert and efficient.
We need to get off this island. I'm going to put my thinking cap on.
Meaning to think seriously about something.
Good idea. Let's kill 2 birds with 1 stone and use the drone to signal for help.
Meaning achieve 2 goals with 1 action.
I hope this plan doesn't go up in smoke.
Meaning to fail or come to nothing.
We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
Meaning deal with a problem when it arises.
We need to make sure we don't miss the boat.
Meaning miss an opportunity.
Look, there's a helicopter. We're saved.
Well, that's the icing on the cake.
Meaning an additional benefit.
I feel like I'm on cloud 9.
Meaning extremely happy.
Looks like we're out of the woods.
Meaning out of danger or difficulty.
It's a weight off my shoulders.
Meaning relief from worry.
Mom, Dad, I'm back. I know you were worried sick. I've been through the ringer.
Meaning gone through a difficult situation.
We're glad you're safe. You're the apple of our eye.
Meaning a cherished person.
I guess all's well that ends well.
Meaning a happy ending makes up for difficulties.
You've really been burning the midnight oil, haven't you?
Meaning working late into the night.
Thank you, Asha. You're a real gem.
Meaning a person who is especially good or helpful.
Take care, Angela. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining.
Meaning there's something good in every bad situation.
I'll always remember to keep my chin up.
Meaning stay positive and optimistic.
And don't forget, the ball is in your court now.
Meaning it's your decision or responsibility to act. And so, Angela's adventure ends on a high note. with new friendships and unforgettable memories. Remember, life is full of idioms, and sometimes they're just what you need to navigate through the unexpected.